What is going on, YouTube? Thank you so much for coming into my dimension. Thank you so much for tuning into my frequency to watch this video. If you guys don't know me already, this your boy P, Professor P X XA 2.0, and I'm back with another video, y'all. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to transmute your sexual energy. Okay, so let's get right into this. A subscriber actually commented this down in the comment section, so I decided to go ahead and make a video. If there is anything that y'all want me to talk about, make sure you guys go ahead and suggest them down in the comment section. I will get to every single one. Okay, so if you are having any questions on this journey, or if you guys have any questions overall about life or overall about spirituality or anything, y'all, just let me know down in the comment section, and I will try to help out every single one of y'all in the best way that I can. All right, so in this video, a subscriber asked me how to transmute your sexual energy, so I'm going to get right into this. And there are multiple ways on how you can do this, so I'm actually going to tell y'all what I do, so there is a better explanation, because I'm not going to tell y'all something that even I have not done. You feel me? Everything that I talk about is from experiences that I've went through. You feel me? So I don't sugarcoat shit, and I don't tell y'all something that I don't even know the answer to. So, but to this topic, I know the answer to this topic. So I'm going to show y'all how you can actually, not really show y'all, but tell y'all and teach y'all how you can actually transmute your sexual energy. Okay, so stay tuned and let's get right into the video.
Can I hit you back like lightning got struck? Talent, consistency, be the man that you plan to be. Fuck the haters, don't take defeat. Be yourself, don't be a sheep. Everybody should be asking questions. Everybody going wrong directions. What is wrong with this third dimension? Don't interrupt in the.
So every single time that you have those desires, every single time that you have those thoughts about, relapsing, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and do something else. Okay, so let's just say that you get an erection, right? And when you have an erection, you have all that energy in there. You feel me? You have all that energy flowing, all that electricity flowing. When you actually get a hard-on or an erection or whatever, right, there is electricity flowing down there. Okay, that's how powerful it is. Okay, you have a lot of electricity down there, and you want to actually transmute that either all over your body, or you want to transmute it into working or into doing something. Okay, and here are a couple ways that you can actually transmute it. So number one, right, so when you are getting those thoughts and when you're getting those urges, completely turn off whatever you're doing. Okay, because if you stay on your phone when you're having urges and all that, you're going to open up Instagram, or you might just go and look at some ass or whatever, and now you are thinking about ejaculating and relapsing. So you want to completely turn off everything, and you want to focus on a certain thing. Okay, you want to focus on whatever that you want to transmit your energy to. So for me, my example, I'm going to talk about music, because I am an artist. Okay, so I'm going to transmute my energy into making a song. So I am getting urges, I have all the electricity flowing. Okay, I want to do this and that, but instead of doing this and that, I'm going to work on music. And when I do that, when I start working on music, what happens is I am transmuting all my sexual energy into making music. And that's how you transmute your energy. Okay, you want to, my bad, I got an email, somebody wants me on the song, but you want to actually do that, yo. Okay, you want to completely transmute your energy into music, or it doesn't even have to be music. I was just saying my example. You feel me? For you might be an artist, like you might be a painter, and you might want to transmute your energy into painting. You feel me? Or you might be a scientist, you want to transmute your energy into doing scientist shit. I don't know what scientists do, but all that, yo. So you want to completely transmute that energy like that. You feel me? You just don't want to save it. You don't want that energy just to be trapped, yo, because nothing good is going to come out of that when your energy is just trapped. You want to transmute that energy, you want to let that energy flow. Okay, and another way you can transmute your energy is by just taking deep breaths. Okay, because in your sacral chakra is that is where all that sexual energy is actually stored in. Okay, and when you are getting those urges and when you're getting all that, that means you have too much energy in your sacral chakra. So you want to actually transmute that energy to all of your chakras, your root, your sacral, your heart chakra, your throat chakra, your third eye chakra, your crown chakra, everywhere. You want to transmute that energy everywhere. And a way that you can do that is by taking deep breaths, like when you do take deep breaths, what happens is you are transmuting that energy all throughout your body, so it's not just trapped and stored in there. You feel me? So yeah, you guys want to always transmute your energy, because if you don't, what's going to happen is you're going to end up relapsing, because you don't know what the heck to do with that energy. Feel me? You guys want to transmute that energy. Alright, but I hope this video really helped y'all. If y'all want me to talk about something else, let me know what y'all want me to talk about down in the comment section. But thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and leave a like as well, so more people can know about this. Peace and love coming out to everybody. One love, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Been working on my dreams. Last night I didn't sleep. I was up all night, nobody grinding hard as me. Me and my team, we're shooting for the stars. One day you gon' know who we are, and that's facts.